Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do weekly love reading for Aries fire sign. So let's see your weekly love messages, Aries. So this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. Aries fire sign, Ace of Wands, Wheel of Fortune, wow, two cards, Four of Pentacles. Yeah, I think one person in this connection not expressive. They are not expressing their feelings even though they have feelings for the other person. I think this relationship is going to change. Definitely it is for good change. Wheel of Fortune and Ace of Wands. Definitely for some those who are in separation, there is a chance for new beginning. One person want Ace of Wands, brand new beginning. So let's see some more messages for you. Yeah, Six of Cups, those who are in separation, reconciliation. Four of Swords, Hermit. Yeah, I think one person in this connection not making any move to the other person, but one person want reconciliation. So the person who are holding back their feelings in this connection right now in hermit mode, it could be you person. The hermit mode means they are spiritually awakening, not taking any action. They are thinking about the other person a lot. They're thinking but not taking any action, but they are feeling strong soul connection and past life connection with the other person. That's why they are thinking about. But one person in this connection want new beginnings with the other person. For some there is separation or less contact between both of you, or no contact. Yes, Seven of Wands, Nine of Wands, Seven of Cups. I think, yeah, the one person who are hiding their feelings, they are guarded up right now. I think they are seeing, they want this connection but not taking any action because they are confused. Right now they are very in confusion because they are spiritually awakening, they don't know what to do, but another person want a commitment and they don't want to give up in this connection. It could be you person, energy could be vice versa depending upon your situation. Yeah, Ace of Swords, truth coming out, communication. Eight of Cups, yeah, separation, one person is walked away from the other person. And Knight of Swords, yeah, communication is coming in your way. Definitely one person is rushing towards the other person, but one person is walked away. Some communication is going to be happen between both of you. Ace of Swords is here with Eight of Cups. I think you have to let go. I think one person right now not to take any action towards the other person. It could be you person. You both could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. All signs are here. Let's see your person energy little bit. Then we will get clarity. Yeah, Nine of Thunderbolt, the Tower movement, and Ripness, Nine of Pentacles. Patient, Seven of Pentacles. Yeah, your person is waiting. I think it is person who taking rest and not taking any action is you, Aries, the Rebel, Emperor, going with the flow, Ace of Cups, and the last card, Outsider. Yeah, for some there is separation between both of you, the outsider. I think your person waiting for you patiently, Seven of Pentacles here. Definitely they invest in this connection, they are waiting for you patiently. And Riftness and going with the flow. Yeah, they want to going with the flow. They are waiting for you. Definitely they are waiting for you because the patience is here. Emperor, I think your person now want to offer commitment to you. Thunderbolt, after the Tower movement they realize you both. But now I think you are the person who invest more on this connection. Now you are protecting your heart from your person. And when the separation is happened, definitely your person realize you both. Now they want wait for you. Their love for you, Ace of Cups overflowing. Definitely they are waiting for you. They want to commit to you, the Rebel. Without you they are feeling like the outsider. Definitely some communication you are going to be received from your person, and you both will be communicate. So I think you are in some thinking mode. You are not taking any action because you are spiritually awakening, Aries. But your person thinking they are waiting for, they are ready to wait for you. They are patiently waiting for you. Aries. So this is the reading for you, Aries. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.